Hello, Maverick Traders. Welcome out to your currency recap. It is March 10th. Corey here with you. As always, we're going to take you through meaningful news. We're going to talk about what is transpiring in markets. It's a clear risk-off environment. We'll talk about what that means for crypto, for Forex, and what trading opportunities are out there.
Disclaimer. This video was created for professional Forex and crypto traders. Maverick Currencies is a proprietary trading firm that employs professional traders around the world. Our traders trade firm capital and keep 70 to 80% of profits they generate. All trades and analysis in this video are for professional traders only. If you are interested in becoming a professional Forex and currency trader for Maverick, click the apply button in the video description. Let's break down what happened today.
So today was obviously more of what we've been seeing, which is this risk-off environment. So equities falling sharply, crypto getting blasted, forced liquidations in full effect. There's no doubt margin calls and people hoping for a bounce. The old trapped bull scenario where bulls are just hoping that they'll get a bounce and be able to get back to break even, and it's just not going to materialize. So this is where flush outs occur. This is where exhaustions occur, where you'll just see relentless selling until people just give up, throw in the towel, and are exhausted and in too much pain to fight it anymore. And then you'll finally set a bottom. But that bottom might be still a good bit lower from where we're at. Notice today Japanese yen sharply higher, British pound, CAD, Aussie all lower. Now the turmoil was not as much in FX as it was in other markets. The S&P down 2.5%, well over 2.5%. Crypto down 2.5%. International markets down 2.5%. Gold and silver, oil, commodities in general, quite a bit weaker as well. So in equities, it's just widespread selling. It is a risk-off environment. As we look at the chart, the reason we've got this drawn up here is 2 weeks ago we called this a false breakout confirmation. Here's the false breakout to new highs. Here's the confirmation that that was happening. And remember we said from false moves come fast moves. And boy, does risk happen fast. We've broken levels of support, and it's anybody's guess where the bottom is in. And trying to pick a bottom is a fool's errand. Trying to figure out where the bottom is. Look, just this thing is sliding. We want to stay risk off. Even if there's a small bounce, there's probably more selling to follow. You'll know it when you see it. When there's a true flush out, there will be huge volume. There will be big, what they call capitulations, again, where people just throw in the towel and say enough's enough. But we're not there quite yet in all likelihood. We've got CPI out on Wednesday. We've got the Bank of Canada meeting. We've got GDP out of the UK. We've got consumer sentiment out of the US on Friday. But ultimately, the Bank of Canada meeting on Wednesday and CPI on Wednesday are the major events. Those are the potential market movers. So if you're trading US dollars or Canadian dollars, Wednesday is the event day where there could be some volatility. Now let's talk shop here. What's opportunistic? Well, we usually say that anything here in the middle is less intriguing. This does not have a lot of momentum behind it. But out here, these can be bought. These are our longs. So we can go long Swiss francs or Japanese yen. That's where velocity is. We could go short the Aussie against them, or a lot of crypto. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, they really have those setups, with a special added emphasis on Ethereum and Litecoin being the most bearish in the crypto space. So what are the trades? Well, going long Swiss franc, you can see the chart pattern, the dynamic here. We're in an uptrend, breaking out to new highs on buy signals, on upward sloping, and even kind of a pattern within patterns. This is what they call a little cup and handle pattern. Very bullish. Swiss franc looks like it should continue to the upside. Japanese yen, strongest currency today. Look, upward slope, buy signals, upward sloping, trending, breaking out above resistance, and so forth. Just all the characteristics of things you want to buy. On the short angle, we would be looking at Aussie, which has broken down. almost an inverse chart of the Swiss franc. Look at the inverse cup and handle. Look at the sell signals, the downward slope, all the characteristics of a currency going lower. So short Aussie, play the Aussie to the downside against buying Swiss franc or buying the Japanese yen. Those would be what you would buy on the other side of that. If you're looking in crypto land, it's just short setups. Ethereum, Litecoin, these have strong bearish momentum, continued sell signals, downward slope. I mean, these are very, very nice looking downward trends. So you'll get some intermediate bounces, but again, the pain, the pressure continues to the downside. Now, volatility is high. This is a risk off environment, and this is usually where things speed up. So don't be surprised if throughout this week we see some currencies move 1%, which is a big, big move in currency land. But this week is the type of environment that can do that. So use good risk management, good position sizing. Be prepared for more volatility upcoming. Thanks again, everyone. Have a great week. We'll see you next time.